Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Notion web versus desktop. We'll explore the fundamental differences that impact your daily workflow. The desktop application offers robust offline access and often feels snappier, while the web version provides instant access from any browser, making it incredibly convenient for on-the-go use. Both platforms ensure your data is synchronized seamlessly across all your devices, so you never miss a beat, regardless of which version you choose to use. When it comes to performance, the desktop application generally provides a smoother experience, with faster loading times and more fluid scrolling, especially on larger pages. It also integrates better with system notifications and offers more extensive keyboard shortcuts. The web version, however, excels in quick edits and collaborative sessions, allowing multiple users to work together in real time without any installation. It's perfect for shared workspaces. A key differentiator is offline access. The desktop application allows you to view and even edit your Notion pages without an internet connection, which is a huge advantage for productivity on the go. Any changes you make offline will automatically synchronize once you reconnect. In contrast, the web version requires a constant and stable internet connection to access and modify your workspace, making it less suitable for environments with unreliable Wi-Fi. So, which version should you choose? For dedicated, uninterrupted work and when offline capabilities are crucial, the desktop application is your best bet. If you need quick access on a shared computer, or for light editing and collaborative tasks, the web version is incredibly convenient. Many users find the optimal approach is to leverage both, using the desktop for primary work and the web for flexibility. It truly depends on your specific needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.